Looks like a nice day for a drive. Looks like a nice day for a drive. It's snowing. I'm gonna stay inside for a drive. Let's see here. The buckets. The bucket head. Nah. The tractor? Nah. The Bigfoot truck? Nah. Aha! The supersonic rig car. Blackbird door open. Step on the gas tank and for this. Now time for the supersonic speed.
Here's a nice one.
Yes, I'll be right over.
La 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 la. Save for a drive.
It's time for an extreme pullover.
Oh, it's the cops. Oh, come on. It's a dead end. Who are you?
I'm the officer.
I think you're a little bit too young about to be an officer.
I'm not young.
Ow.
So,
Supersonic speed.
oh, I got myself a runner.
Another dead end.
Here's your ticket.
Oh,
What the heck?
No. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. A cliff. No! Oh. What the? Why did you got there?
I took this magic bucket.
Never mind. Let's see here. Let's see the note. $200? That's outrageous.
No, $50 for running away, $50 for speeding, $50 for running away again, and $50 for being mean.
Ow.